Oh, howdy. I see you made it to the temporary homestead for Jed I TV, a hotel in sunny Southern California, 800 miles from our main camp in Oregon Territory. When Logan and I made this 800-mile trek, we broke it up into a 2-day trip, rather than put the pedal to the metal on Miss Harley's Ford Flex and do it all in one day. And while I'd rather be traveling in the Jedi van or in my night house, neither of those vehicles would have worked well to get us around to the places Logan and I needed to be on this journey. So we opted for Miss Harley's Flex for traveling and a nice rental hybrid for local jumps. Now, I'm new to this vlogging style of video creating on YouTube, but I really wanted to share some of our adventures off the range with you all. So I certainly do encourage your feedback in the comment section below. Let me know what you want to see more of and what you want to see less of. Now, on the last episode, Logan and I left Redding after a fantastic lunch with our good pard, Miss Jessica Jane Pride, and her lovely daughter, Miss Ellie Mae. And we continued our journey south to our next stop, Old Town Sacramento. Logan and I wandered the streets and sampled the eats of several vendors in town. We stuck mostly to candy shops and avoided the saloons. Some of the highlights of Old Town Sacramento for us were Evangeline's costume mansion, for sure. We probably spent an hour in this shop trying on different costumes from different eras and genres. I was really impressed with these replica 1851 Navy revolvers we found. Plus, they had some fine clothing items from folks like Frontier Classics and Scully. We also visited the Candy Barrel several times and stocked up for snacks for the rest of our journey. I just have to stop and check everything here because I've been eating cheddar popcorn while I was driving and just put my black hat on, so I want to make sure that it looks okay. And of course, we stopped into the River City Shooting Gallery. Basically, Logan and I explored every nook and cranny of the town, and as the sun began to set, we called an end to that part of our journey and loaded up the wagon to find a good burger joint for dinner.
After dinner, we went to my favorite stop in Sacramento, Icicles. Icicles specializes in Thai rolled ice cream. This rolled ice cream is prepared right in front of you on a frozen pan using all fresh ingredients. You can choose from Icicles flavor suggestions, or you can select your own custom flavors and have the ice cream barista roll up your personal ice cream bowl. After your ice cream is rolled up in your bowl, and it literally resembles rolls, you then get to choose from unlimited toppings to put on it. Anytime, especially after a long day of traveling and exploring, this is a refreshing and delicious frozen treat.
And happy hour got us our large bowl of rolled ice cream for just $6. We both left happy and continued our journey a little farther south to Lathrop, where we rested for the night before making the final leg of our journey, which got us here. And now that we've established a home base, hopefully we can get back to bringing you the regularly scheduled episodes of Jed I TV. Also, Logan has started chronicling his journal in the acting world, so I'll put a link to his YouTube channel in the comment section. Feel free to subscribe to him and check out what he's doing both there and over on Instagram, where you'll also find Kooky posting photographs. And that'll do it for this episode. Come on down to the comment section and chat with me. Let me know what your favorite travel snack, your go-to road food is. I'm Jedi Knight, and I'll see y'all on the range. Or in the ice cream shop.
That is some good ice cream.